Okay, welcome everybody. It's Frank Calabro Jr. Welcome to the Fast Start Training, okay? Now, we're going to be using USI Tech. USI Tech is our Bitcoin multiplier. It's also going to be a way to multiply paper currency as well as stack our very own cryptocurrency, which is very exciting, okay? Now, you guys are going to be in Module 1, basically, in this Fast Start Training, and I'm going to walk you through this step by step by step. You may want to take notes, so grab some taking material. If I go fast, which I probably will because I want to keep this video short as possible, just pause the video and you can also do this step and then resume the video, okay? Also, to make the video more clear, you can adjust the settings and click it over to HD settings. You can also pop it out to full screen because some of the stuff I'm going to show you may want to you're going to want to see in more detail. Okay, if you're on a device that maybe, I don't know what you guys are viewing this on. Hopefully you're viewing it on a full screen PC. Some of you guys are on mobile devices and such, but you can mess with the settings, okay? So we're in the Fast Start Training. Let's go over to that particular page. This video, I'll pop it in right here. If for some reason you have not registered, you can go ahead and click the Register Now button. You can go ahead and get enrolled. I'm going to walk you through this entire process. But for some reason, if you're not registered, let's go ahead and let's get registered first, okay? Now, pay close attention, guys, to this video, okay? There's going to be some things in this video that you cannot miss. And I do mean you cannot miss, okay? So watch every second of this video, okay? Because there's some things in here that if you miss, you're going to have some issues, okay? You're going to have some troubles. So here we go. Here we go, guys. Now, illustrations, let's go ahead and pop open that illustrations button. That'll open up a brand new window. Let's go ahead and open that up. I don't think I have it open already. Illustrations, okay? I'm also probably going to put this video on this page too, but you guys can have this open in a separate tab so you can follow along with me, okay? Let's start right here. Once again, when you register, if you haven't registered, note-taking material, guys. You've got to keep track of this stuff. We are professionals, okay? Everything with an asterisk you've got to fill out. Make sure your first name and last name is the exact thing on your ID card or passport. It's got to be spelled the same. Everything, guys. It's got to match. Your country phone code, find it in this drop-down menu. Your mobile phone number, very important. This website is going to make sure you are a real person. It's going to send you an SMS message. You're going to have to verify your account. It's just for an extra layer of security. They're going to make you do all this stuff. Email address you're going to use for this particular account. Gmail is the best. Username, password. Make sure you pick something very secure, okay? Very secure, guys. Confirm your password. Take your time with this. There's no rush. Certify that you are 18 years of old or older, and agree to the terms and conditions. I definitely would read the terms and conditions. I'm not a robot, okay? That's step 1 of the registration, okay? Now, step 2 of the registration is you're going to have to verify your email that it's real. So find a link. Make sure if you don't see it, and it may take a few minutes, look in your junk box. Look in your spam folder. If it doesn't land in the inbox for some reason, look around and find an email from USI Tech, okay? Extremely important, guys. Now, once you get this email, it may look like this. They may have changed it up a little bit, okay? My email, I got this a while ago, okay? Because I've been doing this for a little bit of while now, so it might look slightly different than what I'm showing you, but the bottom line is activate your account, okay? Verify your email address. Pretty self-explanatory right there. Now, next thing we want to do is we want to log into our USI Tech account, into our back office, okay? Your username or email, whatever you want to use, your password. I'm not a robot. It may walk you through some verification, and then go ahead and log in. Now, here's a step that you cannot miss. This is extremely important. Before you can do anything, I want you to find a button on your dashboard that says Become an Affiliate, okay? Every single person that registers is a customer. You are a customer. And if you want to become an affiliate, which we do, guys, we do, you've got to click on Become an Affiliate. You've got to read the terms and conditions. You've got to agree to the terms and conditions, sign it, do whatever they tell you to do, and then you have to complete this step in its entirety before you can move forward, okay? Before you can move forward, you have to become an affiliate, because right now you're just a customer. And if all you want to do is be a customer, then you can go ahead and shut this video off right now, and we're done, guys, okay? But for everybody else, let's go forward. Now, first thing I want you to do is I want you to edit your profile. One other thing I want to say, let's go back up to this. If you don't become an affiliate, you don't have an affiliate link, okay? If you don't become an affiliate, you don't have a referral link, okay? I should have mentioned that, but let's just go down to the next step. Now, here's where we're going to get into the good stuff, okay? Now, in the top right-hand corner of your profile, the drop-down menu, I want you to click on My Profile, because this is where we got to update this first. Let's start right here. You can see you can switch the language and such right there. Everything's right there in the right-hand corner. Now, once you go into your back office, make sure all this information is correct, okay? Your display name. This will be the name that's on the generic website and such. I'll show you in a minute. Make sure you put something in there that, you want people to recognize. Like I used Frank Calabro Jr. You use whatever you want to use, but put something in there, your display name, whatever you normally use. Make sure all your information is correct back here. Make sure it's all correct, okay? Hit update. You're going to set up the security. I think it made me do this the first time I went back there. I can't remember, guys. I can't turn the website back in time because, like I said, I've been using this for a little while. So it made me set up some type of verification, guys, okay? So it may or may not make you do this. Just want to make you be aware of this, okay? Now, scroll down. This is the important part. This is the important part. Scroll down right here. Now, if you've already became an affiliate, here's where we're going to create our website URL. They call it an advertisement link. I call it a referral link. Same thing, okay? Now, you can put in, like I did as an example, something that you want people to recognize. I'm going to highly suggest using your name, or you can use something else if you normally use something else, a business name, what have you. Put something in here that is easy to recognize for you and your teammates, okay? I put in Frank Calabro Jr. I clicked update, and it created an advertisement link for me. Now, this is my referral link, okay? Now, I want you to click on this. This is not the link that we are going to use, but I want you to click on this. It's going to open up in a brand new window. I'm going to show you how to get the link that we're all going to use, okay? But this is your referral link, or actually, they call it an advertisement link. I'm going to call it a generic website link. We'll talk about this in just a moment. But go ahead and click on that. Let it open up a new window. Now, grab your note-taking material. I want you to come back to this page, and I want you to verify your account. You don't have to do it right now. Now, mine, it says my account has been confirmed. They're probably going to ask you for, I'm trying to remember, a utility bill, a driver's license. You may have to take a photograph of yourself. They had us do a couple of things to verify our account. So whatever they ask you to do, just do it. But I want you to make a note and come back to do this. You don't have to do this right now, but you do have to do this, okay? So make yourself a little note to come back and go through the account verification process. Now, back up to this referral or advertisement link. Let me show you what this looks like. It's going to look like this, okay? And you notice my name's up here in the top. I'm going to see where it says Independent Promoter, Frank Calabro Jr. You see that up there? Yours is going to say whatever you put in that box under display name. There it is. Now, this is not the link that we're going to use. If you look in the URL up here in the address bar, it does say Frank Calabro Jr. dot whatever, okay? But that's not the link that we're ever going to use. Click on the Getting Started Now button, and this is in a couple places. You'll see it in a couple places if you scroll down this page, but just click on that one right there. Click on that Getting Started Now button. Now, this is going to be the referral link that we are going to use. And you can see Independent Promoter. It's going to say your name here, not my name. It's going to say your name. Up here in the address bar, okay? I've got it highlighted. That's the link that we are going to use. I want you to copy that. I want you to paste it in a notepad, and I want you to save this. We're going to need this in the next video, in the next step, okay? Or in an upcoming training, we're going to need this, okay? So you go ahead and grab that, save it in a notepad, very important, and this is going to be the link, the referral link that we are going to use, okay? Pretty simple, guys, pretty simple. All right, we're doing great. Doing great. Now, let's scroll down. All right, just to recap, we're going to click on that website. They call it, what do they call it? Advertisement link. I'd never remember that. Click on Getting Started. You're going to grab your referral link. I call this the registration page because that's exactly what it is. We want to bring people straight to this registration page. We don't want to confuse people and send people to this. They're going to get all confused, like, what do I click on? Where do I go? How do I sign up? We bring them straight here. Okay. Now, in your back office, next thing I want you to do is I want you to click on dashboard, and your display name, Frank empty pro personals. Okay, I think we might have already done this step, guys. But anyways, your display name, you can click on dashboard, landing page, display name. Okay, that's gonna basically take us back. Go back to your dashboard. Just disregard all this. I know what this is now. Just click on dashboard, and you'll see if you scroll down your page just a little bit, now you got this advertisement link. Okay? Before, when you first logged in, you didn't have this. And the reason you didn't have this was, number one, you didn't become an affiliate. And number two, you didn't go back there and create your advertisement link. Okay? So you didn't have this before. Of course, I'm going to call it a generic website link because that's all it is. It's a generic website. But you didn't have this before, but now this is also on your front page. So I just wanted to show you where this was by clicking on dashboard home. You'll scroll down a little bit. You'll find this. Okay? You'll find it. All right? Now, let's get on with the good stuff. Let's get some BTC packs. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, let me see if my website's still open. Yeah, there it is. I got it still open. Let's see if it's still open. Package options, place order. Yeah, this menu right here, you got package options. You want to place an order. You can see there's package statuses. There's rebuy setup. Let's go ahead and click on place an order. And this is how we're going to buy BTC packages, okay? Place an order. Now, you're going to scroll down. Well, I'm going to scroll down. And you're going to buy packages. And here's all you do. You click on the purchase button. You can get the product detail. You can get help. This has got like step-by-step illustrations that walk you through it. The product detail explains the BTC package, what you're buying, how it works, all that cool stuff, right? Now, let's go back over and see if I can. Let's close that out. I don't need that no more. Okay, now, if you notice, the time this video is being shot, we've got BTC package options. You can buy BTC packages right here on this page. We can also buy token packages, okay? Everything right here. And to buy the BTC pack and buy the token pack, the procedure is identical, guys. All right, product detail. There it is, guys. It tells you over the course of 140 days. 140 days, okay? We're going to get paid in Bitcoin, okay? You guys can read all the terms and conditions. I'm not going to read this thing word for word. I'm just showing you how to buy the BTC packs, but I want you to read every word of this. Very important. Okay. Now, if you click on the help, this will give you illustrations. It's actually going to walk you through diagrams, step-by-step pictures on how to buy BTC packs. You see this, guys? Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Line-by-line stuff. All right, that's pretty awesome, right? Pretty awesome. All right, now I'm going to hit the purchase button. Now, you can use your wallet. If you already have BTC, you got Bitcoin in your wallet. Now, most of you won't, but eventually you will have Bitcoin in your wallet. You can just buy more and more packs. You want to build up your packs as high as you can. Now, you can also pick on buy BTC with the wallet of your choice, okay? And I'm not going to walk you all through the whole process, but I am going to show you a couple things here, okay? Now, you got a couple of options, okay? Now, first of all, number one question, how many packs do I start off with? Start off with as many as you can. Now, how fast do you want to multiply your Bitcoin, right? I mean, that's common sense right there, guys. I got started, I bought 50. I bought 50 right out of the gate. Okay, you can see at the time this video is being made, that is 0.4075 BTC Bitcoin or $2,991.50 USD, okay? At the time this video is being made. That's what I started. Now, what if you're drop dead broke like Frank Calabro Jr. was a few years ago? I started with 5. That's where I started, guys. And then I sold my only vehicle 3 weeks later, and I bought 20 more. Okay, this was a few years back, guys. For those of you that were around Frank Calabro Jr. when he was penniless, right? But anyhow, you start where you can. Okay, so I can't tell you how many BTC packages to buy. Buy as many as possible, as many as you can. How quick do you want to make this happen? Now, once you do that, you read the terms and conditions, you purchase, and you go through the whole 9 yards. Okay, it's pretty simple. Now, this buy for partner. This is if you want to buy packages for one of your teammates, you have to have your partner's ID. You put their ID, you have them give you your ID, you paste it in here, you hit search, their name, their partner name will populate in here because they'll search the database. So you can actually buy BTC packages for one of your teammates and such, or anybody. It doesn't have to be a teammate. You can buy packages for anybody. It doesn't matter if they're on your team or not. So that's just an option, okay? So we can skip that. We're just going to say we're buying 20 packages for ourselves. We'll hit the purchase button, and we'll go through the procedures, okay? It's pretty simple, guys, pretty simple. Okay, and then it's on a timer. We've only got 10 minutes to make this purchase because the price of BTC, Bitcoin, fluctuates, okay? Here's the address we're going to send our Bitcoin to, okay? And then there's the barcode or whatever they call that. It's not called barcode. I call it barcode. It's called something else. It slips my mind at the moment. It doesn't matter. But as you're doing this, keep this window open, okay? As you're doing this procedure, you can go ahead and keep this window open, okay? And then you'll get a confirmation shortly after you send the Bitcoin. It's telling you send this amount. It's in green, 0.16274 in this example, to this address. Okay, you're purchasing 20 BTC packs. It breaks it all down for you. Everything's right there, right down to the penny, okay? This is where you go to buy your BTC packs. Now, let's go back over to our training. All right, purchase BTC packs. I talked about the wallet options. Select the number of BTC packs. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to purchase. We've got a 10-minute timer to complete the transaction, okay? Because the fluctuation of Bitcoin, okay? All right, note this procedure. Now, this procedure is identical for token packages. There is no difference whatsoever. And you might be thinking, well, how many token packages do I buy? Buy as many as you can, okay? That's just my own personal strategy. I bought a diamond package, 100,000. A lot of my teammates bought diamond packages, okay? You just buy the token package that you want to purchase, okay? And this is our own cryptocurrency. This is going to be our own very own cryptocurrency. This is like a pre-ICO sale. Like this hasn't been offered to the public yet, okay, at the time this video's being made, okay? Now, there's a rebuy button back here. Rebuy button, okay? Let me show you how this works. Let me see if I still got my stuff open. We can go ahead and close this out. Let's click on this rebuy. Okay, this is if you want to rebuy more packages with funds that you already have. Like I got funds right in here right now. I got 0.2210. I can actually buy Bitcoin. I'm sorry, Bitcoin. I can buy more packages right now. And you can see it as I'm clicking on this. It's telling you how many packages I can buy. You see that, guys? For example, I can buy. Oops, it says I went over. So I got to go down a little bit. I guess it's not going to tell me, but you can see right here. Say, for example, I bought 25 packages. It would be $1,495.75, right? And I'm going to use in this example, 0.2035 Bitcoin. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. And I hit purchase, and then it's going to go ahead and go through. It's done. It's that quick. I just bought I just bought 25 more packages. Okay? Just did that live right in front of you. All right, now. But I want to show you, what I really want to show you is the rebuy setup. The rebuy setup. I think, yeah, okay, this is where I want to show you guys, the rebuy setup. Now, listen, I don't use this feature, but I want to point it out to you, okay? Because what you can do is, and don't ask me how this works because I really don't know, but what you can do is you can rebuy, meaning once you accumulate more and more Bitcoin, you can set this thing at rebuying 100%. And I don't know if it's once per day or does it do it every single time you have enough coin up here to buy another BTC pack. I don't know. You guys can experiment with this. If you have a car bonus, like I've got a car bonus. I've actually got the double car bonus. You can take your funds and you can say, well, yes, apply the car bonus to also rebuy more packs, or you can say, no, I'm going to withdraw or cash out my car bonus each month, okay? So you guys can play around with the functionality of this thing, do whatever you want to do with it. Whatever you want to do with it, here's what I can tell you. You got to save the settings. Otherwise, it's not going to work, okay? And like I said, you guys can mess around with the functionality of that. I did want to point that out to you guys. All right, now, there's the rebuy setup. Okay, there it is. We just covered all that. You must click Save Settings, or that is not going to work. Okay, and that concludes. That's your Fast Start training, guys. You've bought some BTC packs. This is awesome, guys. This is exciting. You'll see. This is an addiction. As you go forward, you'll see. You'll just see what happens. I don't even need to explain it. When you log into your back office, you're going to get very exciting as you see your Bitcoin grow, and as you grow more and more Bitcoin, and you purchase more and more BTC packages, these mining and trading packages, and as you build up your portfolio over here using USI Tech as our Bitcoin multiplier. All right, that concludes the Fast Start training. Go ahead and complete this step. Once you guys complete this step in its entirety, I'm going to see you in the next training. The next training is going to be the system setup, okay? System setup, I'll see you there. So go ahead and complete this training, and I'll see you in the next video. Frank Calabro Jr. signing off. Thank you.